The second important topic is the significant figures. So we got to be consistent in using significant figures. I believe that you already learned this in your high school class, but I'm going to review this. So the definition of significant figure is each of the digits of a number that are used to express the required degree of precision. So this is something about precision of the numbers. And when you talk about the precision, we got to be consistent. That's why we have to use the significant figure correctly. So number of significant figure is a number of certain digit plus 1. So that means 4 significant figures is equal to 3 certain digit plus 1 uncertain digit. So here are some examples. So we have a 24 and 36.4, 0.0364, and so on. So then the question is, identify the number of significant figures. So the first one, what do you think about 24? The number of significant figure is, oops. So here are some examples how to identify the number of significant figures. So 24, 36.4, 0.0364, and so on. So let's figure it out. So 24, what is the number of a significant figure? The number of significant figure is 2 because we have 2 digits here. Second one, 3. Third one, 3. Fourth one, 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, right? And the last one, 2. So then these are the how you can determine the number of significant figures. And when you have more than 2 significant numbers, considering the significant figure, we can actually divide the 2 cases. First is addition and subtraction. Second is multiplication and division. So this is a rule how to operate the 2 numbers or more with the significant figures. In addition and subtraction. So in addition and subtraction, first identify the rightmost significant digit in each number. Second, line up numbers based on the decimal point and perform the operation. Third is round the answer. Oops. The leftmost of the rightmost significant digit from the step 1 determines the reported significant figures. So it will be very clear when you take a look at this example. So then we have 3 numbers, and these are, we have an addition of these 3 numbers. And the first step is we actually lined up the numbers with respect to this, the decimal points. And then the last ones are the uncertain numbers, right? Then we can actually take the summation here. Then we have this number as a result of the summation. Then we need to determine the significant number. How? We can actually take the this 0 is the smallest one, so then we actually take the the 0.8 as the significant number. So the number of significant number of this operation is 4. When you do the multiplication division, we use a different rule. So the rule is a term with the fewest significant figure governs a reported significant figure. So what is the production of 362.56 and 2.13? So if you do that, and the first one is a 5 significant figures, and then the second is a 3 significant figures. So then as a multiplication, we have this number, but we need to determine, we need to actually report with the right significant number, which is the smallest one is a 3 significant figure. So then this should be, change it to 3, which is 772. And when we do the rounding, we have 3 different rules. The first one is the drop number is less than 5, we truncate. So we have 59.44, and then we truncate because this is less than 5. So drop number is larger than 5. In this case, 6, then round up, which is 59.5. And then the drop number is equal to 5, then round to the nearest even number. So when you have a 59.45, and then this is a 5, right? So then what is the nearest even number? 4. And when you have a 59.75, the nearest even number is 8. So that 59.8 should be the answer. When you do the rounding, then do not round the numbers until the final answer, and then keep the minimum of 2 extra significant figures throughout the calculation.